welcome to another episode of Practical IT. In this episode, we're going to take a look at the cat command. The cat command dumps the contents of text files to the standard output. Let's get started and take a look. Starting from our Mac side, we're in my home directory, and we can list out some of the text files I have. We can say cat exclude list.txt, and it's going to dump that file to the screen. Let's move over to the Linux side, and it operates just the same there. List out some text files and log file. Log files on Linux and Unix type systems are text-based, so you can use cat to view the log as well. Type cat testdisk.log, and it dumps to the screen. And so as you can see, you normally would either have to scroll up to view contents earlier in the file, or you might use a pager such as more or less, which we'll cover in a future video, to be able to go through the contents of the file one page at a time. For our third example, we'll go to the Windows Subsystem for Linux. We'll list our text files that we have, and I made a couple of sample text files. So we'll use cat to display those. And we'll display the second one. Now, cat is also capable of some tricks using redirection. So if we want to take the contents of testfile1.txt and testfile2.txt and combine them into a file called test3.txt, we can do that quite simply with the cat command. Cat test1.txt, test2.txt, and we're going to redirect it to test3.txt. If we use cat on test3, we will see that we've got the contents of both test1, which ended with a dashed line, and test2 that ended with a line made of equal signs. There are, of course, other things cat can do. If you do man cat, it'll bring up the man file, and it will show you all of the options that you can use, and even give you some examples of how to use the cat command. That brings us to the end of another of our short form command videos. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe, click the bell icon if you would like to receive notifications of future videos. As always, feel welcome to leave comments below. Until next time, this is Jeremy signing out for Practical IT. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.